Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you some good places to lift up or support the vehicle when you're lifting it up. So if you come under here, anything in the front you're not going to want to lift up on. Nothing is safe, none of this is safe. Once you get back here to the subframe, you can raise the vehicle right here or support it. Same with over here. This location right here is safe. This, not so much. Over to the pinch weld, you can raise and support the vehicle right here. Now the further out you go, the better. So over on the passenger side, it's the same. On the pinch weld, it's safe. And then this area right here is safe and nice and solid. Back here, the same. Right here, over on the pinch weld, it's a little notch right there. Same with the other side. Now on this lower control arm, if you're using the jack that comes with the vehicle, it's advised in your owner's manual to use this, put the jack under there and raise the vehicle. I don't recommend doing that if you're just using a floor jack, things could slip off. And it's not advised to raise up on the rear differential. It's not safe. And same with back here. Anything back here really isn't safe to lift up on. Same with the spare tire. So I hope this video helped you out. And as always, if you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.